If you have a house in Galloway, Ohio, and you're looking to sell fast, easy, conveniently, and for a fair price, then this video is definitely for you. My name is Dave Perichin, and for over 14 years, my team and I have been buying houses in and around Galloway, Ohio. And in this video, I'm going to share with you the 3 types of sellers that we see every single day here when sellers contact us here at Sell House Columbus. So the first type of seller is what we would consider more of the retail type of seller. And this type of seller has a house that's already all fixed up, it's in tip-top shape, it's already ready for open houses, it's ready to be shown to the world, and there's really nothing wrong with the house physically whatsoever. Also, this type of seller has all the time in the world to sell the house, so they can list the property, put it on the market. They don't care if the house sells in a day, a week, a month, or a year. It doesn't matter to them at all. And they don't mind paying a commission if a realtor or real estate agent was to bring them a buyer, or if they were to list the property with a licensed real estate agent. Those types of sellers are great. It's just not an ideal fit for what we do. We typically work with the number 2 and number 3 type of seller, which I'm going to share with you. But if your house is already fixed up, you have all the time in the world, if you don't mind the foot traffic of open houses and inspections and things like that, you're probably best listing the property with a licensed realtor. They do a great job. They're going to bring you a traditional type of buyer. This buyer more than likely is going to be using a loan or financing to buy your house. There are some more hoops that need to get jumped through with that. They're going to have inspections and appraisals and things like that, but you ultimately will probably get the top dollar for your house by going that route. It is going to kind of take a bit longer. There's some uncertainty when it comes to when the buyer is going to be able to close. But if your house is in tip-top shape and you have all the time in the world, consider working with a licensed realtor, and that would make you a retail type seller. Seller number 2 is the convenience seeking type of seller. We get these all the time, and we work very well with convenience type of sellers. And these types of sellers, maybe there's nothing going on. It's not like a situation. That's seller number 3 is a situation type of seller, but maybe there's nothing really going on. They're not under that rigid of a time frame, but they're seeking convenience, and maybe they don't want to pay any commissions, and maybe they can be a little flexible on the price. They're willing to be a little bit flexible with a buyer like us to get the certainty and the convenience that comes with a buyer like us. Meaning, when you work with us, you're going to pick the closing date. We can close whenever you want. We're a cash buyer, so you tell us when you want to close. If you want to close quickly, we could make that happen. Or if you want more flexibility and you want to set a future date, we could accommodate that as well. It's very convenient. So if you're seeking convenience, then we could be a good fit for you. There are no commissions or fees. And typically, you're going to want to be a little flexible on the pricing for a buyer like us that is providing the convenience for seller number 2, which is the convenience type seller. Seller number 3 is the situation type seller, and we get these quite a bit. We've pretty much seen every situation you could imagine in the last 14 plus years, but a situation could be a probate type of situation. Maybe you inherited the property, maybe it's a divorce situation, back on payments, financial bump in the road, whatever the case may be. But typically with a situation like this comes some kind of tight time frame. If you have a deadline or you got to close by a certain date, we're absolutely going to be a good fit for you. Since we are a cash buyer, since we are going to buy the house and it's as is condition, you want to work with a buyer like us. You want to work with a buyer that's going to close on the date of your choice, who could fulfill this deadline or whatever deadline you might be working with. And that's exactly what we do here at Sell House Columbus. We're a cash buyer. We're going to buy it as is. It means you don't got to fix anything. You don't got to clean anything. You don't got to haul anything away. We make it very convenient for you. And if you could be a little flexible on the price, we can be flexible on the closing date, provide you certainty so you can sleep good at night, get some relief, just know this thing's going to get done. That's exactly what we bring to the table. So if you have a house in Galloway you're looking to sell fast, easy, and conveniently, give us a call at 614-300-5151. Or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. And when we get on the phone, by the way, it's a very easy conversation. There's never any pressure. There's not going to be any sales tactics or gimmicks. We're not a call center. We're here locally. We're going to treat you like a neighbor because that's exactly what we are. So pick up the phone, give us a call at 614-300-5151, or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. My name is Dave Perichin. We buy houses in Galloway, Ohio. I look forward to speaking with you, and I look forward to working with you.